Hello guys, welcome back to Jestina's kitchen. I hope you're all doing great out there. Today guys, I'm gonna bring you a quick recipe for dinner. It's gonna be chicken shawarma. I'm going to use Jestina's kitchen green seasoning. I'm gonna use apple. I know you're gonna wonder what we're gonna use the apple for. That's a secret I'm gonna share with you. You can use any seasoning of your choice. It's up to you. If you're curious and you want to know how I'm going to do that, stay tuned, watch the video up to the end. We're gonna make like little bit of pumice also, so it's gonna be like varieties of little rice and little pumice and salad and all that. So stay tuned, watch the video up to the end. I have already cooked just one big potato just for 10 minutes because we're gonna put it into the oven again. I'm now going to cut the chicken breast into thin slices. And why? Because I want them to cook very fast. This is a must try guys. It's very tasty. It's gonna be moist, delicious, appetizing. So do not hesitate guys, give it a try. And be careful guys when cutting the chicken because the knife I'm using is sharp. I don't know whether yours is sharp. After doing all that, now we're gonna prepare the seasoning. Now we're going to the next stage. We're gonna season. Let me show you how I'm gonna do that. We're gonna mix our seasoning. We're gonna use some al-credo, which is all-purpose seasoning. We're gonna take just a little bit of everything because otherwise it's gonna be too much. Half teaspoon of seasoning, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon onion powder, pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, half teaspoon of chicken orient, and a little bit of garam masala. This is the dry ingredients. We mix it up. You have a cover for the container. You can, as my 12, cover it and then shake, give it a shake so that everything will be mixed up properly. If not, you can just use a spoon and then mix everything together until everything is incorporated. And then I empty the chicken inside, sprinkle in some Himalayan pink salt. This salt is very tasty. It tastes very fast, so you have to be careful. Sprinkle in some lemon, just a bit, not too much. And then I'm gonna give it a mix, just lightly, so that the lemon and the salt would infuse into the chicken breast. This is 1 kilogram of chicken breast. I'm going to empty in my seasoning. Be generous with the seasoning. This is Jestina's Kitchen all-round green seasoning. I'll add in 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons. Then my chili flakes. I'm now going to give it a mix. I'm done with the seasoning. Add in 3 tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil because we don't want our chicken to be dry. And then we mix it again. For it to be moist and juicy, you have to be generous with the oil. Olive oil is the best. We're gonna put it aside. Salt. A little bit of garlic powder. It again. Now it's level and beautiful. Place the potato somewhere in here. We're gonna use a stick them on the potatoes. That's where we're gonna stick the chicken. Make sure that you soak them in cold water for about 10 to 15 minutes before using them, so they won't burn in the oven. And now we're gonna use any cooking oil. First, dry the sticks with paper towel, then grease them with the cooking oil because we don't want the chicken to stick on the brushed sticks. After all that, we're gonna stick the chicken onto the brushed sticks. I'm going to add in more olive oil it a mix again. My hands are clean. I now start by sticking the chicken slices in the brushed sticks, one after the other, layer by layer, until you do the whole lot. And don't forget to preheat the oven before starting to stick the chicken on the sticks in 150 to 175 degrees, and then you grill them in the oven until they are golden brown. We're now going to put it in the oven. We'll get back to it later on. Guys, let me show you, or let me give you tips and secrets of how I normally cook my rice. I have 3 cups of rice in here and 5 cups of water. I'm going to add in a pinch of salt, all-purpose seasoning, pinch, and then garlic powder. I'm going to add in a drop of basil oil, homemade basil oil that I made for myself at home. If you want to know how I did that, you can check it in one of my previous videos. It's available. A tablespoon. And this is how it looks. We give it a mix. Guys, I'm telling you, if you try this, you'll never cook rice any other way than this. Gonna close it. We're gonna leave it for about 10 minutes, and I'm gonna choose which one I want to use, whether it's white rice, quick rice, or any one you choose, the one that you want. And we're gonna leave it to cook for like 45 minutes. By the time the rice is cooking and the chicken in the oven, we're gonna prepare our salad. Cut the cucumber and the tomato into very thin slices, and then make sure that you remove all the seeds from the tomatoes, because we don't want excess water in the salad. After doing all that, we're now gonna cut our apple. You can use red or green apple, it's up to you, it doesn't matter. Cut the apple and then slice them into thin slices also, like I'm doing right now. To avoid the apple turning dark, we're gonna add in salt and squeeze in a little bit of lemon juice, and then we put it aside until we are ready to do the mixing of the salad. Give it a toss and then put it aside. Add in now my salad dressing. Just a pinch. And then lemon. After adding in the lemon, I'm going to add in sumac. Guys, if you have not tried sumac in salad, try it. It's really good. It tastes really good, especially when you're doing chicken or meat kebab. It tastes real good in the salad. And then I'm going to give it a mix. You can use any cup of your choice just to make the rice look beautiful. I'm going to use this bowl. And then we fill it up. The rice is smelling so good, guys. Like so. Hummus with lemon on top of the rice. Then you can dip in your hummus if you want to. Wow, guys, look at that. Look at that. Our shawarma is now done. Oh my god. Oh, yo, 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 yo. It smells so good, and I know that it's gonna taste delicious. Look at that. Guys, this is absolutely tasty. Wow, look at that. It looks juicy, yummy, good. It smells so good, guys. A salad somewhere here. Salad on the other side here. Vegetable salad. This is really healthy, guys. I'm telling you, it's a balanced diet. Guys, you can do it either the first way or this way with Lebanese bread. It goes perfectly well. You can serve it as I am doing right now. Add whatever you want to mix in, and then add your chicken with your dressing or yogurt. It's up to you. You can, as might well, add in pumice also. It goes perfectly well. It's gonna be more delicious. So guys, this is all what I have for you today in Jestina's kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like what I'm doing, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, like and share to help my channel grow. And take care of yourselves. Bye. I love you all and stay blessed. See you next week in another cooking edition. Bye.